When the sim needs go beyond SOLIDWORKS, just save into your 3DEXPERIENCE platform where Abacus Multiphysics materials can be used in nonlinear, explicit dynamic, and many other study types. And while this is using the Abacus meshers and solvers, the interface for setup and review of results does not require a PhD. But the tools are all here to understand complex situations like random vibration and dynamic loading. Solving can be done locally or on cloud, with either having the option of up to 144 CPU cores. Of course, we're not going to talk about any tools that aren't connected to SOLIDWORKS for seamless design updates. In our case, we need to analyze this component for the potential of low cycle, high stress fatigue. This is something beyond the capabilities of SOLIDWORKS simulation, and I'd hate to disconnect the process and save out and open in some other tool. Well, now we don't have to. Simply update the design in SOLIDWORKS, resave the file, and rerun the simulation. All necessary data translation is taken care of automatically and processed in the cloud. And since we're on the cloud, anyone we want to review the results with is just going to need an internet connection to log in. Now, if the product you design requires an internet connection, Bluetooth, or has an antenna, you can use these exact same processes to access CST Studio Suite, an industry-standard electromagnetics tool which simulates the different electric fields and radiation that these devices emit. This way you can optimize signal integrity and shielding with your actual SOLIDWORKS files. Honestly, forget about ANSYS or other disconnected high-level sim tools. 3DEXPERIENCE allows us to connect SOLIDWORKS to virtually any other DS software so we can stay in one connected ecosystem for all of our engineering needs.